How to make money online at home. From online lottery to stuffing envelopes at home, there are lots of popular get-rich-quick money-making ideas that always pop up. Do they work? Not really. Will you make money doing it? Maybe. But you'd probably make more money from your 9-to-5 job. At least then it's a guaranteed paycheck. The truth is there are real ways to make money online. Millions of people are doing it each day. From freelance digital nomads to savvy marketers to rising entrepreneurs, there are plenty of business ideas you can try at home using your laptop and a solid internet connection. So let's break down some real ways to make money online. 1. Start dropshipping. Let's start our list off with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rising, highlighting its viability as a business idea. With success stories about how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. If you don't know what dropshipping is, it's a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. With Shopify dropshipping, you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. 2. Try print on demand. Print on demand, POD, is another popular way to earn money online. Many individuals have adopted this business model because it has lower overhead than other businesses. Print on demand is similar to drop shipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out products to customers yourself. There are 2 slight differences, though. First, you can make your own custom products, which is great for brand recognition. Second, you can choose from specific items rather than a vast range of categories. Most print-on-demand companies offer products that are easy to print on, like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags. 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to be a stable way to earn through the internet. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you choose from a vast range of companies to partner with, including Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living by promoting other brands. If you're a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. While earning a commission may seem small, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links on a single blog post. 4. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber is Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, who uploads bizarre stunts on his YouTube channel, which made him $54 million in 2021. Another high earner is Jake Paul, who's made $45 million on YouTube by sharing high-energy prank videos and boxing content. His YouTube and boxing career fame helped him use his influence to make money online beyond his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think there'd be an audience for. 5. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. Did you know soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges between $880,259 and $1 million, on average, for a sponsored Instagram post? While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller-scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The best platforms to get started on? Instagram and TikTok. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first taste of exposure on these platforms. You might want to check out how to get more Instagram followers if you want to build a big Instagram audience. 6. Create an online course. Selling courses is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You can sell your course on Udemy or, if you already have your own audience, through your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $5,000 per month with online courses. 7. Publish an ebook. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's never been easier to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. In 2013, I created several ebooks on Amazon, and even though it didn't make me rich, I still made some money from it. You can choose to hire a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer to design the cover, and a manuscript editor to eliminate errors from the content. When researching the topic, focus on keywords based on popular searches on Amazon. 8. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, drop shipping, toys, etc., is often a narrow enough focus to build a loyal following and big enough that you can cover a lot of ground. You can start a blog on various platforms, from Shopify, remove the checkout feature, so you don't have to pay a subscription as you build it out, to WordPress. 9. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. For example, if you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you to apply them. There's a never-ending list of job platforms for each type of freelancer too. For example, freelance writers can apply for jobs on specific online writing job boards, but also on general freelance websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and all the others. If you find that your skills can't be directly used to create income streams, you can try monetizing other transferable skills you may have. 10. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably looking at this money-making idea and feeling a bit stuck. Fortunately, though, you can hire someone with programming skills to build an app for you. Sites like TopTal will connect you with plenty of app developers who are open to working with entrepreneurs to turn their vision into reality. All you have to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify the audience you want to target, and create a brand image for your product. The programmer you hire will take care of things on the development front. When it comes to making money on your app, your best bet will be to add it to Google Play and the App Store. And while it may seem counterintuitive, having a free app can help you make more than a paid app. With a free app, you can add ads or premium features to help you make money. Since the free app will attract a higher volume of people, it'll be easier for you to upsell them. 11. Sell custom products. Product development isn't the easiest route to making money, but it's often the most rewarding, and it may not be as hard as you expect. Making custom products is popular amongst jewelry brands, fashion brands, and home decor brands, yet it expands through virtually any industry where you make things from scratch. 12. Sell on marketplaces. Sell products on online marketplaces, but beware. Selling sites can be a great launchpad for many businesses, but the current marketplaces come with a Faustian bargain. You get access to customers if you build your business on someone else's land. Their land, their rules, and they'll change them at any time. 13. Sell your creative work. It's easier than ever for creators to sell their work online. Whether it's music, videos, digital art, photography, magazines, or podcasts, you can set up a digital shop and start selling with little limitation. While selling creative work sounds similar to digital products, the difference is that your products are more creative ventures. They are a way to express yourself online versus satisfying a buyer's needs. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.